Joyful, sparkling, timeless, Christmas jewelry brings holiday cheer to every style. From glittering pendants to festive earrings, each piece captures the warmth and magic of the season. Celebrate your holidays with jewelry made to shine. With just one click, step into the world of Christmas sparkle. Our Christmas jewelry collection has it all. Snowflake pendants, jingle bell earrings, festive bracelets, and more. It's your holiday season, your celebration, your Christmas. Discover festive favorites for Christmas. Snowflake charms that sparkle, Santa pendants for a playful touch, reindeer earrings for fun, and tree designs full of joy. Every piece is made to capture the spirit of the holidays. Up close, every detail shines. Radiant crystals, bright enamel, polished metalwork, and creative Christmas motifs. These aren't just accessories, they're festive treasures designed for joy, warmth, and holiday style. Our best-selling Christmas pieces are here, bright, joyful, and always in style. Loved by jewelry makers, gift shoppers, and holiday fans everywhere. These designs are the highlights of every festive season. Start your holiday jewelry journey today with pieces that reflect your joy, your creativity, and your love for the season. Let PandaHall Christmas jewelry bring your festive look to life. Thanks for watching. Discover more festive jewelry at PandaHall and make every piece a part of your Christmas story.